Unleash the true potential of your smart home with Matter. Imagine a world where you're no longer bound by one smart home ecosystem. With Matter's interoperability feature, you can mix and match devices from your favorite brands to create the ultimate connected home. But unfortunately, only a few notable products support Matter as of today, although dozens more are expected to add the functionality in the coming months. For now, here are the 5 best smart home products that support Matter.
Greetings from Smart Home 101. Here we test, review and compare each and every smart home product to ensure you're always up to date on trends while getting the best user experience before making any buying decision. To get the ideal product, don't forget to check the links down below.
Starting with the Apple HomePod 2, which is fully equipped with Matter support and Thread. Imagine being able to control all of your connected devices from the comfort of one central hub. Now this is a reality. Although Siri may not have the same level of versatility as other virtual assistants, Apple fans will undoubtedly be thrilled with the added convenience of Matter integration. Embrace the possibilities of a fully connected home with the Apple HomePod 2. The Echo Dot 5 with clock has taken the smart speaker market by storm, and it's easy to see why. This device, available for a budget-friendly price of $60, boasts impressive sound quality and a user-friendly display for quick access to the time and weather. The added bonus of Matter support and the option to choose from various colors only add to its appeal. It's no wonder the Echo Dot with clock is considered one of the top smart speakers available. The Nest Hub just got even better with Google's recent addition of Matter support. Say goodbye to clunky disconnected smart devices and hello to a seamless interconnected home. With Google Assistant's unrivaled intelligence and a vibrant 7-inch display, the Nest Hub is the ultimate multitasking machine. Stream your favorite shows, keep up with your schedule, jam out to some tunes, or even learn a new recipe with just a few taps. The future of smart homes is here with the updated Nest Hub. Need something a bit larger than your standard smart display? Check out the Amazon Echo Show 15, which boasts a gorgeous 15-inch display and fully supports Matter. It's a bit expensive, yes, but you won't find many other products like the Echo Show 15. Yep, that means now you can do a lot of things from this massive display, and guess what? It can be an ideal dashboard for your smart home. The Eve door and window sensor has elevated home security to a new level with its newfound Matter support. So say goodbye to the guessing game of whether doors or windows are open or closed, and say hello to a world of smart home automation. With the ability to trigger events such as lighting and furnace control based on the stats of your doors and windows, your home will be more secure and convenient than ever before. Although you will need to sign up for the early access program, it's a small price to pay for access to cutting-edge smart home technology. So that was all about the 5 best Matter-supported smart home devices just for you. Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you found this video to be helpful. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want more videos like this on your feed.